Today's topic is divisibility test. Divisibility test help us to check whether a number is divisible by another number without the actual method of division. If the number is completely divisible by another number, then the quotient will be a whole number and the remainder will be 0. So let's start without wasting any time. The first one is divisibility by 2. If the number is even, that is, if it ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then the given number is divisible by 2. For this, we have taken two examples. The first one is 34. So here we can see 34 ends in 4, and according to the divisibility rule, if the number ends with 4, it will be divisible by 2. So 2 we can see gives, so 34 is divisible by 2. The number 598 ends in 8, which proves it will be divisible by 2. But for our assurance, we'll check it once by dividing it with 2. So let's do the division. 2 2s are 4, 9. 18, which gives 0. So here the remainder is 0 and the quotient is a whole number, that is 299, which proves 598 is divisible by 2. So without the actual division, just knowing the divisibility test, we can find out whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, then we say the number is divisible by 3. So, यहाँ हमने एक example लिया है. We have taken 42. So, what we will do? We will find the sum of the digits of the number, that is 4 plus 2, which is 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 we know 6 is divisible by 3. So the number 42 will also be divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. If the number formed by the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. So to understand it better, we have taken an example here, 316. So the last two digits is 16, that is 16, and we know 16 is divisible by 4, which means the number 316 is also divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. If the number ends in 5 or 0, then it is divisible by 5. So we have taken some examples here. Example is 525, which ends in 5. 630 ends in 0. 40 ends in 0. And 9745 ends in 5. So all these numbers either end with 0 or 5. So all these numbers will be divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. So to check whether the number is divisible by 6 or not, हमें ये देखना होगा कि क्या वो 2 and 3 दोनों से ही divisible है या नहीं. So for this we have taken one example here. The number is 906. So first we will check divisibility by 2. So 906 ends with 6. According to the rule of divisibility, if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. So clearly the number here is ending in 6. So it will be divisible by 2. Now we will check divisibility by 3. We will add the digits of the given number. The number given here is 906. So we have added the digits of the number according to the divisibility rule, and the sum is 15. 9 plus 0 plus 6 is 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. As we know, 3 5s are 15, which gives the remainder 0. So 906 is divisible by 2 and 3 both, which gives us the result that 906 will be divisible by 6 also. So 906 is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 8. If the number formed by the last 3 digits of the given number is divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. To understand this better, we have taken one example here. The number is 53,480. And according to the divisibility test, what we will do? We will take the last 3 digits of the given number. So the last 3 digits are 480. Now we will divide this with 8. So 488 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. 1s are 8. And the remainder is 0. So it means 488 is divisible by 8, which confirms that 53,488 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of the given digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the given number is divisible by 9. So let's take an example. The number here is 3,123. So according to the rule, what we will do? We will add the digits of the given number. That means 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, which gives 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So 4 plus 5 gives 9, and 9 divided by 9 is 1, which gives the remainder 0. That means 3,123 is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. If the number ends in 0, then the given number is divisible by 10. So here we have taken some examples. The numbers here are 450, 7,490 and 12,360. All these numbers ends in 0, which means all these numbers will be divisible by 10. Divisibility by 11. If the difference between the sum of the digits at the alternative places is equal to 0 or a number that is divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. So we have taken one example here. The number here is 6,13,261. We will first mark the alternative digits here. So the alternative, now since we have marked the alternative digits, we will find the sum. 6 plus 3 plus 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 1 plus 2 plus 1, which gives 4. Now we will find the difference, that is, we will subtract the sum. So 15 minus 4 is 11, and 11 divided by 11 gives the remainder 0, quotient 1, which means the number 6,13,261 is divisible by 11. Now we will take one more example. The number here is 3,421. Now we will first mark the alternate digits, then we will add them. 4 plus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we will find the difference, which is 5 minus 5, which gives 0. So it means the number 3,421 is divisible by 11. This is it for today. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever any new video is uploaded. Also, like and share the video. मिलते हैं एक नए वीडियो के साथ. Till then,